Hello student, in previous period we have studied the property and uses of ethanol, that is the ethyl alcohol. Today I will teach to you the next carbon compound is the ethanoic acid. You know the molecular formula of the ethanoic acid or condensed formula is the CH3COOH. You see here in this formula, it contains how many carbon atom? It contains the 2 carbon atom. Therefore, its parent name is ethane. In this molecule, they contain the COOH as a functional group. Therefore, here E is replaced by OIC acid. We get a which name? IUPAC name. Ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name. Commonly, CH3COH is called as the acetic acid. Common name of the ethanoic acid is the acetic acid. And IUPAC name is a ethanoic acid because it contains the 2 carbon atom. Parent name is ethane. E is replaced by OIC acid. We get a IUPAC name. What are the properties? Remember, at room temperature, the ethanoic acid liquid in state. Take this liquid ethanoic acid in the test tube and observe it. It is a colorless, first point, and if you add the blue and red litmus paper in the test tube, then blue litmus turns to red. It means that ethanoic acid is a acidic in nature, and remember very important point, ethanoic acid is a weak acid. I understand. And if you add the small quantity of ethanoic acid in the water, then it is a completely soluble. Means what are the properties? Ethanoic acid first is the colorless, soluble in water, acidic in nature, acidic. Boiling point of this ethanoic acid is 180 degrees Celsius. Colorless, soluble in water, acidic in nature, boiling point 180 degrees centigrade temperature. And if you freeze below 70 degrees centigrade temperature, then this liquid ethanoic acid is converted to solid. The solid acetic acid are called glacial acetic acid. Question may be asked, what is the glacial acetic acid? The solid acetic acids are called as the glacial acetic acid. This is the one important point, that is the glacial acetic acid. Second one, the aqueous solution of aqueous 5 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid is known as vinegar. Question may be asked for 1 mark. Define vinegar. Aqueous solution of 5 to 8% acetic acid solution are called as the vinegar, and the vinegar is used as a preservative in jelly, jam, pickles, etc. It is used as a preservative. This is the physical property. Next, chemical property. You know that acetic acid is acidic in nature. Therefore, when acetic acid is react with strong base like NaOH, NaOH is a base and is acid, it form a CH3COONA plus H2O, means sodium acetate. Common name is the sodium acetate. IUPAC name is sodium ethanoate, because here CO is a ester group, E is replaced by OAT, we get a IUPAC name sodium ethanoate. It means that acid is react with base to form a salt. Sodium acid is salt and water. It is an example of neutralization reaction. This is the first reaction. Second reaction, when acetic acid is react with washing soda. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 to form two molecules to form CH3COONA, two molecules H2O plus CO2. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved here. Again we get a sodium ethanoate. Or sodium acetate. In this reaction, which gas is released? CO2 gas is evolved or released. How will you conclude the released gas is CO2? Do this activity. Take the big test tube, fix to stand, take 5 gram or small quantity of washing soda in the test tube and fix the rubber cork having the thistle funnel and gas delivery tube to the mouth of the big test tube and keep the or insert the one end of gas delivery tube in a freshly prepared lime water. Then add the acetic acid through the thistle funnel until the inner end of thistle funnel is dipped in the acetic acid. After few minutes, the gas is evolved. This evolved gas comes in the freshly prepared test tube through the gas delivery tube after a few minutes to form a white color to the lime water. Question may be asked, when CO2 gas is passed through the freshly prepared lime water, it turns to milky. Why? Because you know the property of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is react with lime water or calcium hydroxide and to form a insoluble white color calcium carbonate. When you pass the carbon dioxide gas through the lime water, it react with lime water and to form a white color insoluble calcium carbonate. Therefore, the lime water turns to milky. Therefore, on this experiment, we conclude that the liberated gas is a carbon dioxide gas. Next, third property, when this acetic acid is react with eating soda or sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3 is the formula of sodium bicarbonate to form a sodium acetate CH3COONA plus H2O plus CO2. Again it form a sodium acetate salt. This is the three property included in your syllabus. I understand. Question may be asked in the examination. Write the common name of CS3COOH or IUPAC name of CS3COOH, or write the condensed formula of ethanoic acid, write any important properties of ethanoic acid, or write the balanced chemical equation when acetic acid react to sodium hydroxide, acetic acid react to the washing soda, acetic acid react to sodium bicarbonate, or give reason when carbon dioxide gas is passed through freshly prepared lime water, it turns to milky. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.